Bosch dishwasher model SHP88PZ55N error codes. Organize and clean dinner dishes and cookware in this Bosch Benchmark dishwasher. The foldable flip tines, adjustable double flex silverware basket and spacious My Way rack for small bowls and oversized accessories provide flexible storage for efficient cleaning. This Bosch Benchmark dishwasher has a capacity of 12 place settings for time-saving cleanup. Error codes. Code E01, E02, E03, E04, E05. Problem. The E01, E02, E03, E04, E05 faults codes mean that the dishwasher has suffered a power module failure. The programming of replacement power modules has been locked down by Bosch, so in the event of an error code of this type, it's recommended that you contact a Bosch-approved dishwasher engineer. Code E06. Problem. Door mechanism problem. Fix. The sensor switch that detects whether the door is locked before starting a cycle is damaged or faulty. Check for obstructions and replace part if necessary. Code E07. Problem. Dishes not drying due to faulty fan. Code E08. Problem. Water is not filling above level of heating element. Fix. Most likely a problem with the heating element or filling issue. Code E09. Problem. Water heating problem. Most likely related to heating element. Code E10. Problem. Heating element problem. Fix. Check for blockages build up limescale that could be stopping water from interacting with the element properly. Code E11. Problem. Thermostat or temperature sensor faulty. Fix. Replace faulty part if necessary. Code E13. Problem. Water temperature exceeding 75 C. Fix. Have you connected your dishwasher to a hot water supply? If so, switch to cold. Code E14. Problem. Reed switch flow sensor fault. Fix. Check contacts on the reed switch connection are clean. Code E15. Problem. Water leaking through to dishwasher base. Fix. Empty the base of water. If error occurs again, then your dishwasher has a leak. Code E16. Problem. Water inlet valve fault. Fix. Check inlet valve and water supply. Code E17. Problem. Water level too high overfill. Code E18. Problem. Water level too low underfill. Code E20. Problem. Electrical short or break. Code E21. Problem. Circulating pump blocked. Code E23. Problem. As error code E20, but this time the electrical problem is with the drain pump. Fix. Replace drain pump if necessary. Code E24. Problem. Drain filters blocked. Fix. Clean the filters. Code E25. Problem. Dishwasher not draining properly. Code E26. Problem. Water switch regulator problem. Fix. Check water switch and replace if required. Code E28. Problem. Fault detected with turbidity sensor.